Hey everyone, if you're a music lover or an audiophile, then this video is for you. If you're watching our videos regularly and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I request you to do it now and support our channel. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. In this video, I'm going to unbox a DAC from the brand FiiO and the model is KA13. Let's see what you mean by DAC first. It's a tiny device which converts digital signal into analog signal and pre-amplifies it to get a better sound output. I got this DAC from Headphone Zone and I'll leave the links in the description below if in case you like the product you can grab one for yourself. This tiny DAC supports both 3.5 mm audio jack and 4.4 mm balanced cable. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.